Here I have ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up, for a few seconds like this. After you enter this kind of menu, here you have to use volume up key to navigate and volume down to select, and you have to select the first option, recovery mode. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select the 6th option, wipe cache partition, and then confirm it by selecting yes. After you see the message cache wipe complete, you can select the first option, reboot system now, and restart your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.